I welcome you all to an absolutely eloquently designed designer luxury floor in the heart of Gurgaon in DLF Phase 2. Well, today is the day when we are going to surely take your breath away. This house is everything you would have ever dreamt of or thought of. So come right in. So the minute you enter the home, you are welcomed by this beautiful feature wall, which is in the color of grey and dark wooden paneling. The entire passage area is very, very wide and it gives a very spacious feeling to the entire house. Just to let you know, this floor is made in 502 square yards. And then you enter into this absolutely gorgeous, spacious area, which could be your mandir room. The area where you and your family could come for all those special festival occasions. After the mandir area, we walk through the passage again, a big, spacious passage which gives the house the feel that it is larger than life. It is more beautiful than you can ever imagine. And then we walk into the most gorgeous area of this house. This happens to be the living area. It is divided into two parts, the drawing room and the dining area. This is the drawing room where you could welcome all of your guests and spend some of the best moments. Now the entire drawing room has some beautiful work on the walls, paneling, and it also has wooden paneling right here. The drawing room also has these beautiful windows that look right out into the greenery. The plot is park facing and really gives you a feel of the city, like you're already staying in the most greenest area of the city. The entire drawing room is loaded with some beautiful elements which add a very gorgeous design to the entire living area, which is right here. It's in gold and you can take a look. And of course, the entire living area comes with 3 imported chandeliers. Just take a look around, already loaded with beautiful lights. I want you to walk with me into the dining area. the area where you can spend the maximum amount of time with your own family members or friends. Now this also happens to be beautifully done up, and the wall looks stunning, and it already has 2 imported chandeliers and a cassette, and the living area, which is the drawing room, also has 2 cassettes in it for maximum cooling and maximum heating during winter. So the dining area has Italian marble in it, which adds more grace and more richness to the entire lounge area. Also, all of the walls have POP moldings, which gives it a very palatial feel, a very rich, elegant feel. And after the dining area, let's go into the passage once again and to the most favorite part of this entire house. The house comes equipped with a gorgeous kitchen. It's not just gorgeous, it's absolutely luxurious. Now, as I always say, kitchen is a deciding factor while we are buying a house, because we women end up spending the maximum time in the kitchen while cooking for our kids, our spouses, our parents, and this is the area we enjoy being in. So we have tried to add elegance and grace to this area. Now this is a European style kitchen and PU finished. Now they say you have to see it to believe it. So let's walk right in. Isn't this absolutely grand and gorgeous? This can also be called a island kitchen. If you see a beautiful center table, which is a marble top table. Also, the entire counters are marble top counters. If you look around, this kitchen is complete white kitchen, and it just gives a feeling of complete peace, calm and relaxation. So you enjoy the entire experience of cooking. While we talk about the decorative beauty of this kitchen, I also want to tell you that the fittings used in the kitchen are top quality by Haffel. The chimney and the hob are right here, and they just look so stunning right here. The kitchen also comes loaded with an oven and of course a microwave. So right there it is. Along with having a basin on the side, we also have a separate dish washing area, which means while you do all the cooking, while you have your guests around, your kitchen still looks as clean as you want it to look, because the entire dirty dishes, all the utensils go back into the washing area. Isn't this an absolute dream kitchen for every woman? Well, this is not enough. There is so much more I want to show you. Well, the entire passage area also has a split AC, which keeps this entire area very, very cool and very warm during your winters or your summers. While we walk through the passage area, you cannot miss this absolutely gorgeous designer light that is placed right here, which adds so much more beauty to this entire floor. And while we talk about the passage area and the living room and the dining room, there has to be a beautiful powder room, so that your guests can use it and you don't get disturbed. So here it is, a glimpse into the powder room. Well, the basin mix happens to be a very important special basin mix that happens to be one of its kind. It's designer and it has been specially imported just for this floor. Isn't it stunning? If you think what you saw till now was impressive, what you're about to see is going to blow your mind. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is one of my most favorite rooms in the entire floor. Now, if you just look at the back wall of the master bedroom, it is beautifully and exquisitely designed. Already has wall lamps on it. All you need to do is come, pick your bed and just place it right there and you're ready to live here. Along with a beautiful back wall, they've also created a designer wall here to add a sense of exquisiteness to this master bedroom. The master bedroom also comes with the LED console panel. All you need to do is just put that TV on and voila, you are in your master bedroom all set to live here. The master bedroom also has a master washroom, so come on in. Now, the master washroom has adequate space for all your storage needs, whether it's your clothes, your bags, your shoes. Well, you can fit it all here, both for him and her. And this is your lovely, beautiful basin and washroom area, which has all imported fittings. The master washroom comes equipped with a smart mirror. There it is for you. And of course, the shower area, it's big, it's huge, it's massive, and it comes with body jets. The seat is completely automatic in the master washroom. So this floor has a total of 4 bedrooms. The master room and the room next to it has a running balcony which is very wide and big. Also, this stunning room has been designed in a very meticulous way. Well, we have the European style wardrobes here which are PU finished, and then we have a fabulous back wall that adds a little more to the design of this entire room on the floor. Just take a look. The wooden panels make it look even more elegant. The most fantastic part about this washroom is the jacuzzi right there that adds that element of luxury in the entire floor. Along with the jacuzzi, we have given a big shower area just for this washroom. Also, let me tell you, the entire flooring is Italian marble, the entire walls are Italian marble, even the countertop is Italian marble. All of the fittings are imported, they are all the best quality. So just take a look around. As you walk through the passage, you enter into the guest room. Welcome. The exotic guest room has been done in a very minimalistic manner. Minimalistic yet very, very classy. So if you take a look, the wardrobes are right here. The room is very spacious. The minimalistic guest room also has a very beautifully designed washroom right here for you to take a look at. So every time our guests walk in, we want them to feel very comfortable. We want them to feel the luxury of the floor. So here it is, Italian marble till the walls, Italian marble flooring, Italian marble countertops. We have imported Grohe fittings here, Jura with seat, and of course, a big shower counter. Post-COVID, we've all understood the importance of having our own home. A place we can call our own, a space where we can make the most of our time with our family or at work. Work from home has become a huge culture in India and across the world. So here, welcoming you to the 4th bedroom, which also has a study table which is designed in the most eloquent manner. This is minimalistic. It can also help you create that work environment in your own house. Give you a space to unwind, a space where you can get your ideas to come alive. Also a perfect area for your kids to attend their classes, for you to connect with your colleagues or your seniors, bosses, your entire work. This is the room that is going to give you the serenity, the peace and the calm that you need to work those extra hours, to make sure that you're more efficient than anyone else. Also, this room is connected to a running balcony which gives a view of the outside greenery, which happens to bring in even more beauty to your room. While we talk about this room also has a beautiful back panel. Well, the panel is both wood and POP and it looks absolutely stunning. While we're talking about the back panels, I also want to tell you about this wall that connects to the study table. The entire wall has been done beautifully. It has panels of both Italian marble and wood. While this room exudes more vibrance than any other rooms, this also has a beautiful walk-in wardrobe. So there's ample space for you to put in all of your extra things like your clothes, shoes, toys, work things. All of that can be stored in all of these wardrobes. While you do that, we also have an attached bathroom to this room. Again, we have used all Italian marble. Bathroom is fitted with the most luxurious bath fittings. We have imported basin here and we have Jura with seat. Along with that, we have a big shower cabin just for you. I hope that you all enjoyed the breathtaking tour of this luxury floor. Well, Miglani Realtors has a huge collection of similar luxury builder floors in and around DLF Phase 1, Phase 2 and other areas at very affordable prices. So if you're looking for your dream house, make sure that you contact Miglani Realtors. We will make your dreams turn into reality.